Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces. That is, on the what factors does the focal length of lens depend? Now we know already the characteristics of image due to convex lens at various distances, and we know the focal length of the lens. So there we use the convex lens. So what is the focal length of the lens? That is 30 centimeters. Yes. Now take a cylindrical vessel such as a glass tumbler. Its height must be much greater than the focal length of the lens. So we require the vessel which has a length nearly equal to 4 times of the focal length of the lens. Yes. Now keep a black stone inside the vessel at its bottom. Okay. Now pour water into the vessel up to a height such that the height of the water level from the top of the stone is greater than focal length of the lens. Now dip the lens horizontally using a circular lens holder above the stone. Now set the distance between stone and lens is equal to or less than focal length of lens. We know the focal length of the lens is 30 centimeters here. So here we have to set the distance between stone and lens, that is equal to or less than focal length of lens. So now look at the stone through the lens. Now we are performing this activity in open ground. Yes, now we are observing this stone from the lens. Here, can we see the image of the stone? If yes or no, why? Give your reasons. So here, can we see the image of the stone means? Yes, we can see the image of the stone. When distance between the lens and stone is less than the focal length of the lens in air. So when we see the image, when the distance between lens and stone is less than the focal length of lens. Now increase the distance between lens and stone until we cannot see the image of the stone. So here, what do you conclude from this activity? Does the focal length of the lens depend on surrounding medium? Here, when we dip the lens to a certain height, yes, when we dip the lens to a certain height which is greater than the focal length of lens in air. Yes, but you can see the image when lens is raised further. You cannot see the image. This shows that the focal length of lens has increased in water. So from this we can conclude that the focal length of lens depend upon the surrounding medium in which it is kept. Yes, so here that if the distance between the lens and stone is increased further, we cannot see the image. Yes, so from this we can say that focal length of lens depends upon the surrounding medium in which it is kept.